Forecast with meteorologist Davion Huggins, certified most accurate by Weather Rate.
Well, I hope you were able to get outdoors and enjoy this very nice Saturday afternoon. It was a little toasty, but nonetheless, we stayed fairly dry. Live look outside over in Rogers on our Benchmark A&E camera. You can see we still do have some daylight entering the 9 o'clock hour. It's certainly getting close to summer solstice, the longest day of the year tomorrow. However, as you step out the door right now, temperatures in the upper 70s, the lower 80s across northwest Arkansas, and still holding on to the low to mid 80s down in the River Valley as well. But unfortunately, with that summer solstice is going to come some summer heat as well. We do have heat advisories for the immediate I-40 corridor for tomorrow, 1 o'clock to 7 o'clock on your Sunday, as those heat index values will be near 108 degrees over an extended period of time. And then you'll also notice further off to the north in southwest Missouri for McDonald and Berry counties, we do have a flood watch in place, and that is certainly a telltale sign of the weather pattern that we have in store for us. 2-day forecast timeline showing you as we go throughout tomorrow, temperatures in the upper 80s to near 90 degrees. So it'll be another toasty afternoon. However, you can see the boatload of percentages down at the bottom of your screen. Rain chances certainly not going to be hard to come by for both northwest Arkansas and in the River Valley heading into our Sunday, especially Sunday night into Monday. But you see those temperatures in the River Valley certainly toasty, 94 degrees. And it does come with severe weather as we go throughout tomorrow. There is a possibility that level 2 slight risk, you can see encompassing a large portion of our coverage area. Main timing will be Sunday night. However, there could be some showers and storms that try to get going throughout your Sunday afternoon. However, the main timing will be Sunday night into your Monday morning, where we expect the most of the rainfall and storms to happen. And it's certainly going to be a very noisy night, potentially damaging winds, large hail, and low-end tornadoes are all on the table. You can see the severe weather threat. That tornado risk clips portions of northwest Arkansas, southwest Missouri, and northeast Oklahoma. And then you also notice that we do have that threat for up to quarter-sized hail, especially in northwest Arkansas. Not so much in the River Valley as of right now. We'll continue to monitor that and see how these things change. You can see the damaging winds in excess of 70+ miles per hour certainly on the table as well. So it's certainly going to be a pretty active period as we start our work week. And you can see throughout the rest of tonight, we're absolutely fine. There could be a stray shower or storm here or there, but I think most of us stay dry tonight. By daybreak tomorrow, we could have some passing showers across northwest Arkansas. And then by lunchtime, you certainly could have a couple of showers and thunderstorms try to get going across the area. However, like I said, the main story will be tomorrow night into your Monday morning. There you see we stay dry throughout the evening portion, but then by 10 o'clock, we start to see some cells firing off. Those do have the potential to be very strong in nature, I should say, and they're certainly going to put down a lot of rain. And then you see after midnight, we got talking 2-3 o'clock in the morning, we got cells that are firing off, very long line of shower and thunderstorms. Heavy rainfall certainly going to be a very big threat outside of the severe weather aspects. And notice how it just doesn't stop. Heading into your Monday morning, still have some of those heavier showers continuing to get going across northwest Arkansas and in the River Valley. So it's certainly going to be a pretty wet start to our work week. And honestly speaking, that just sets the pattern up for what we can expect throughout the rest of the week. So because of all of that rainfall, we do have scattered flash flooding that is going to be on the table, especially Sunday night into Monday, as some of those strong, showers and storms will be slow moving at times, and they'll be running over some of the same areas. So any low-lying areas, especially flood-prone areas, get ready for that. And speaking of rain totals, HRRR models is starting to spit out totals over 3 inches across some areas, especially along and south of Interstate 40. That'll be certainly something that cause problems as we continue to go forward. And over the next 7 days, you can see it just does not stop. 2 to 5+ inches, especially across along and south of Interstate 40. Another additional 5 inches certainly possible. So it's certainly going to be a very active weather pattern over the next several days. 7-day forecast timeline showing you just that. Fox 20 forecast. You can see those temperatures not going to be as hot, but that's because we have all those shower and thunderstorm chances across northwest Arkansas. So very heavy rain looking likely on your Father's Day evening into your Monday morning. And then across northwest Arkansas and in the River Valley, it's just going to be a horrible weather pattern that's on the way. That's a full look at your Fox 20 forecast. We're back with more after this quick break.